Hello everyone, my name is Firebuilder and in today's video we're building this simple LEGO puzzle box. But before we get into the building, let me just show you guys how you actually solve this puzzle box. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt this video, but I just had to let you know that only 92% of you guys watching this video right now are not subscribed. So if you're not already subscribed, well, you should probably subscribe if you want to see some amazing LEGO builds, because there are some awesome ones coming up on this channel. So if you're new here, or if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's completely free and it really helps me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button so we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Now that you've seen how to solve this, let's get into the actual building. this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out a lot and it's completely free. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And leave any comments below you have for the next LEGO tutorial. And I'll see you all in the next video.